Welcome to our class on confusing words, terms related to culinary and foods and recipes that may confuse you if you don't know the meanings. Let's get started by lime. Green, used for making Brazilian caipirinhas. Lemon, yellow. Some call it Sicilian. And the dressings. They are used on top of salads. A few types of salad dressings are blue cheese dressing, French dressing. And then we have the Russian dressing, Italian dressing, sometimes called vinaigrette. And then you have mustard dressing. Diet food or dietetic food refers to any food or beverage whose recipe is to reduce fat, carbohydrates, sugar. There are some more adjectives, such as low carb, low sugar, low fat, low sodium. They're all adjectives that you can use instead of diet. Regular, the original recipe of a beverage or food. Another version of the recipe could be diet. Plain, traditional hamburger. Some of the plain hamburgers will consist of meat, bun, and hamburger sauce, sometimes mustard, ketchup, or mayonnaise cream. Biscuit. In the UK, your biscuit might be topped with chocolate and have currants in it. In the US, you might put bacon and eggs on it and have it for breakfast. Cookie, a soft and moist biscuit. British cookies tend to be bigger and more substantial than a biscuit. In the US, a cookie is more like the British biscuit.